The College Edge program is an on-campus residential program for adult learners. So we know that there is a lack of a preparation to enter college in the fall or in the spring, whenever they're entering the world of higher education. And so we designed this program for those that want to develop their skills around independent living, the transition to college, all of those areas that our true high school program doesn't necessarily focus on.
The College Edge program is like a college experience where not only you're like feeling the life of college, but you're also getting a realization of like work and the environment and to adapt to it as well.
College Edge has been helping me prepare for the transition to college. So when I come to college, it's not like such a big shock in the change.
So we're really individualizing with the student, building a relationship with them, finding the best way that they learn. And I think that that's really the big set apart with College Edge and how it not only prepares students who are coming back to us in the fall, but to prepare a student for their health and wellness journey at really any university or college that they choose to go to.
In College Edge, they really want to encourage you to step outside your comfort zone and to get comfortable with being in college. So I think this program does a great job of helping transition, and the staff does a great job of giving you the right amount of independence so that you feel ready to be on your own, but also helping you with the things that you might need.
College Edge sounds very short, like how are you going to be able to get kids ready in 10 days? Compared to the first day to where the kids are now, they are waking up on their own, getting to breakfast on their own, doing everything that they need to on their own, homework, engaged in class. All of that changes. They come in and they really don't know, some kids don't know how to take notes. They don't know good writing strategies. They struggle with getting themselves up in the morning. Really help them those first couple days. And we slowly take it away and it inspires these students like, I can do this.
I was like super nervous at first, but then I realized that this place is just so amazing. There's so many staff who are like so eager to help you.
A lot of what goes into our instructors comes with their empathy and their ability to connect with the students, to know them as who they are and accept them as who they are. That's a really big part of it. But on top of that, all of our professors use the principles of universal design. And so what that means is that they give them multiple means of engagement, multiple means to demonstrate how they understand something, so that they can engage the learners and make sure that they're retaining the content, understanding it, and feeling connected to it. I think that's the hardest part for a lot of students, especially students with learning differences. If it's not a topic of interest, then it's really hard to get them on board. And so having that universal design really helps create those moments in a subject that they may not enjoy as much.
I think the climate and culture as a whole here at Beacon is very accepting. And so that to me makes it such a more rewarding experience coming to work, and wanting to teach students.
College Edge has really helped me not only be independent, but be very social with other people and making new friends.
You can watch all of these YouTube videos, you can visit all of these campuses for tours, and you can do all the college prep that you can do online and in person. But until you go through a fully transformational experience like the College Edge program, you don't know what you're getting yourself into. And that was the big design of this program, is to not sugarcoat what college is going to be like. And so students, no matter where they go, Beacon or elsewhere, this is the true feel of college. And so for them to experience the demands in a low-risk environment, it prepares them and it builds their confidence to know that they can do it.
Beacon College tells students that they can do things that they've been told their whole life that they can't do. This next generation needs people that are going to tell them like, hey, you can do this. Despite what people have told you, you can. You're very smart, you have the ability to do it. That's it. It just allows these students to feel the confidence that you need in an academic place.